See, Batman, you know much romantic stuff remember?
I don't think no romantic thing went down in there.
None.
Look at the camera. Wagwan subbies! Back with a new video for you guys today. You know, I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know, we're here for a good
A
time.
long time.
Always here for a good time and a long time, guys. Today, as you see by the title, we are going to do
react to our first vlog.
Yeah, it's actually our first video, but we never. It wasn't posted as the first video. We just didn't post it until like later on.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty embarrassing if I can recall.
I remember that day like it was yesterday.
Yeah, very embarrassing.
I think I remember the video being dark. Oh gosh.
Oh god.
Let
me just tell you, the quality of the camera never up to par.
I don't remember what camera we had at that time.
I remember it was like an $80 camera.
It was a white camera.
Yeah.
That's all I remember.
And that's what we were shooting the videos with.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're pretty embarrassing. Hashtag embarrassing right now. Comment down below right now. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right here. And subscribe to the ones below, down below right now. And yeah, we're gonna get started. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
We're ready.
Ready for the embarrassment?
I'm not ready, but...
By the way, this video was done in 2015, I believe. Yeah,
that means that's what, 5 years?
Yeah, we weren't doing like YouTube seriously. No. We just have put up videos.
We did one video like, you know, a week? Not even at that time.
It was, once a week we'd have put out a video. Alright. Jesus Christ, this is so embarrassing.
So originally this was Chad's channel. So that's why the beginning is just his face. It wasn't a couple's channel. We didn't even have a direction for the channel. We just used to put up videos. Yeah,
and we used to just do comedy skits and we drop it every Sunday. Every Sunday, and then we start vlogging, right?
Yeah. So this was our first official vlog.
And this was a Disney trip. Yeah. Our first actual trip together by ourselves. It
was like Thursday we said we want to go to Orlando, and then we said, alright, we're going to go to Disney. And that's how we actually went to the place where we got engaged.
Yeah,
so that was our first
That's why it leads up to us getting engaged, by the way, guys, right there. That actual spot we got engaged. Because that was the actual first trip together by ourselves. Yeah. But yeah, it's just very embarrassing. Let me just tell you that from now.
First of all, it's probably dark. You probably can't see anybody. It's I don't know.
This is going to be so
I don't know what we were doing.
Comment down below if you know what the old channel used to name before Danny and Chaddy. Comment down below. If you get it right, you win a prize. Are you guys ready for this? Lord God.
Oh my God. I remember this.
It's alkaline.
Very miserable.
Who is calling miserable? First of all, this is your neck. Why are you vlogging your neck?
Camera angles up.
So, if you don't know, I'm starting vlogging. I'm going to do a lot of vlogs. I'm going to record.
Oh my God. Who's that?
You get me answer?
Oh my God, hear the audio.
And I was hiding from the camera. Remember?
Yeah, Daniel was very shy. Look at it.
If you don't know, this is Daniel to my right. Daniel wants to hide to the camera.
I did not want to be in the camera.
We're going to where we're going? Orlando. We're going to Orlando.
You're trying so hard to get me in the camera.
This is so embarrassing.
Orlando. Ooh, she never know that. Ooh.
Oh, we did rent a Camaro.
Yeah, we rented a car.
That weekend. Oh, that car was so nice, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm a little
that's my old house.
Mommy.
Yeah, the camera.
Yeah, at the time we lived with my mother.
So she's telling us bye?
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at the Christmas lights still up. This was in August, you know. That's so embarrassing.
Don't bother with.
Yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, the car is
that was a nice car. That's my
dream car.
Chad always wanted that car.
Take a vacation on this weekend.
But look at your hair. It's so full. It's so nice.
Do we have money? No, we still don't have the money.
No.
No, we did vulgar.
You are wrong.
That was raunchy.
Wrong and... This is what?
Yeah, alkaline did run the place back then.
Yeah, this was what, 2015?
Yeah, alkaline did run the place back then. So
That's
every
5 years
alkaline
ago.
song that come out in this shot. Whoa, man, of course, bad word.
You were really bad.
And where am I going them shoes then? What are those?
Tom's, you used to love
Tom's, we
Tom's.
used to love Tom's, you know?
I still have that rumpo.
Look at your hairstyle, pretty.
Look up to take about 3 hours just to get one food from Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. I felt like you were making the bathroom in here.
What? Oh
Made
my
no
god.
sense.
Here, hold
Look
this.
at the camera angles.
You're showing everything but us.
My god.
Well guys, at least you can see our growth.
Back on the road. We back on the road. We back on the road. We back
But
on
look
the
how high your hair is. Look at your mohawk.
Yeah, because that's what we used to grow it out.
Yeah.
Right, people.
Of course, you know, no vlog would be complete without food.
Daniel always has to have food in every video, like literally every video.
I think I like that hair color.
Whereabouts?
Look at her, she's so shy.
Yeah, I didn't want to put my face in the camera. I never wanted to just... You can't see anything, it's so dark.
Where my cursor?
That's account number 3.
Look.
My god.
Look at this.
It's dark. It's dark as a
You can't say anything.
It's dark.
It's like midnight, pitch black.
What time now?
8:35.
Oh, my
Number
curse.
5. This hotel was nice though.
Sheraton Hotel in Orlando. I don't know which part in Orlando, but that hotel was nice.
Yeah, that hotel was... We need another one of these trips. Alright, Corona, you can end now so we can go back to Orlando.
In here, look.
This is very embarrassing.
This is like, you can't...
Look at the camera.
You can't concentrate on anything because the
Look at
camera...
the angles, brother. You haven't brought me that, brother.
First of all, you're showing the elevator.
You don't have this on floor?
Look. Oh, yo, this is moving too fast.
Yeah, this was a really nice hotel. And it was cheap. We got it for a good price.
Oh my god. We'll have to watch 10 more minutes of this.
10 more minutes?
Yes.
This...
4:37.
Oh, when you get to double bed.
Yeah, because we booked it last
Oh
minute.
yeah, it was a last minute thing. That's why we got this. It was a special
In
too.
here, ton up. See, Batman, you know much romantic stuff remember?
I don't think no romantic thing went down in there.
None.
Look at the camera.
Pretty there.
Whoa, who is that?
Where is he going with that fridge?
They never have no king bed?
See? We
So
didn't have a
I
king.
forget the what left. But in here, what left looks amazing. What do I mean right here? What's this? Oh, breakfast in bed. Mad thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they did serve breakfast.
Yeah,
Space,
and
like,
it had
crazy.
Starbucks inside.
Starbucks in a hotel. I'm not thing. The remote that big now. Train a seat on the side.
It is kind of
Yeah, that kind of
Look at that
big.
TV though. LG. So now,
Can't even see the fridge.
Oh my god! Who is that? We don't even know because it's so dark.
You can't see anything.
Look at your face.
Then it was really camera shy.
see the damn hot wings that you share on.
Oh my god.
What?
I can't believe this video
Why?
is still like.
For what?
You really want me to...
Tell the people I'm waiting need race up.
I wonder what it is.
Right to shave that thing.
This is so embarrassing.
Bad.
This is so embarrassing.
Oh, see you calling your mommy.
No shit.
I mean no shit. What am I doing?
We just reach here, but then you don't know what she do.
I think she doesn't know.
You just have to go.
Oh, we can't
What?
see your face.
I'm hungry and then I'm starving.
that's all the time.
2 hours later.
Up to now.
At the same spot, yo.
Yeah, for real. I think we stayed there long because we didn't know where we were gonna go
And we
after.
didn't really know where we were.
Yeah. Like I've been to Orlando, but I haven't been and go do other things that I normally do.
Yeah, we didn't go to a park.
Yeah.
Look like
But what I'm trying to say is you don't know what we're doing because it's so dark. This whole thing is dark.
Look like
Why would
It's a black spot. Literally, you can't see anything.
This is where I need to go, but I don't know how to find the address.
Yeah, but we can't see nothing.
well, we can see the phone.
Tell you something very smart right now. What do you know it's at iDrive?
Everything.
No, name the one place that you know it's at iDrive.
I don't know.
Come on, Eddie. Use that noodle of yours.
I still say noodle.
You know the Margaritaville.
Blue martini.
You know the Margaritaville is over there, right? So all you have to do is click that button and say,
Margaritaville is not over there.
and then where it is.
I don't know. It is over there.
Get shot.
What? Oh no, no.
You need to be.
How much longer? How much longer?
This is atrocious.
This is
I'm
bad.
not gonna lie, this is very embarrassing.
What? That's all she can complain, man. Complain about food, we're hungry.
I always complain.
But then I was like for a forest.
Oh my god.
I still have that shirt and I still wear it today.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
Wow, you look beautiful. Look at you.
In heels. Where was I going?
You can't tell when last Daniel ever wear heels.
You know,
Daniel has not wear heels in like 10 years.
No.
Sexiness, Bob the watch. No man.
Whoa, Benson.
Whoa.
Leopard
Whoa.
print.
Leopard it out.
First of all, I took those off because I couldn't walk.
Yeah. Okay, I apologize for the editing. Oh, I think what happened here, I lost my wallet. Remember the same night I lost my wallet?
He lost his card at the restaurant.
And it broke my vibe.
Every time we go to Orlando, you lose your card.
Something happens in Orlando every time. I don't know.
Why did we speed it up
I
like
don't know,
this?
because it was a bunch of chatting. I was trying to talk in a British British slang.
This is bad.
Really bad. This is terrible.
No, we have to go to Bank of America to go find, to get a replacement card.
You look
That's
young.
all I have to say. That's all I have to say.
Downtown Disney.
Yep, this
This is where we actually got
Yeah,
tree.
that tree looks lovely.
engaged.
Oh, shit. What a bloody balloon.
You fool.
This is Daniel recording, by the way.
Yeah.
First time holding the camera. She never liked to hold the camera. I'm just
First of all, my hand was probably breaking off.
Oh, it's something to drink right
First of
now.
all,
She goes bad word.
Are you bitching?
Daniel has never cursed bad word, by the way, guys.
Okay.
It's hot.
The fandango though. Watch out.
Yeah, you look good, I'm not gonna lie.
Who's that skinny girl?
I'm not gonna lie, you look good. Great components.
House of Blues.
Basically, we walk around the whole day.
And in the hot sun.
Hot sun. And we probably got one drink.
One.
Because we never want to go in a park or nothing like that. We just want to chill, like, just relax.
Shoes, soccer, everything.
I mean, we could have done more things, but we just, like, alright.
It was hard to find stuff from where that hotel was.
Yeah.
too.
Well, Daniel was kind of a newbie down in Orlando.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I remember you got a tattoo.
A fake tattoo.
The fake tattoo.
Why don't you get it somewhere?
Not gonna lie, you look good now, bro. You see?
Shut up.
Real.
What are you trying to say?
You still look good.
What's he trying to say?
No, you still look good. You still have that Mickey ears.
Yes, I wore it when
Did
we
you
got
put on
engaged.
lotion today?
You don't remember?
I got
Audio.
engaged in those ears. You remember?
Huh?
I got engaged in those ears. That's the same
Oh
ear.
yeah, it's the same ears you carried.
that should come up in the first shower. See?
I think that was Daniel's highlighted moment.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I could have that right now. Oh,
Oh, this was actually our highlighted moment.
this was when I found the best restaurant in Orlando.
Best restaurant in Orlando.
And you know what happened to us after we ate that? They charged the card, but then they took the charge off, remember?
Yes.
You know you're gonna be hungry after, right?
It was so good.
You look cute, you know?
Yeah, but the food was.
Remember those glasses?
Yeah. I still have those.
Chad wears those still.
Come here, then I have nearly the same
No, we
eyesight.
don't. Not anymore. He's still.
Well, I kind of use it.
Look at that. Look at that. Remember?
That's a gumbo. Me not eat that though.
Yes, you do. And it had pork in it. But that's another story.
I remember that food nice.
Oh my god, I
And it was
want
raining.
right
It
now.
was raining the whole weekend
As you
too.
can see, current rain.
Oh my fucking
And I'm
God.
here. And that crayfish, crayfish.
I see it.
Cheese and peas.
Crayfish.
What is that?
The bomb.
No, you just said what you were saying there.
Oh my god, this is bad. Whoa! Why are you going in that shirt though?
So it wasn't fire. Let's say it now. Let's say alright, it was fire.
It was fun.
I apologize, guys. This is terrible.
This is bad.
Really terrible.
This is the dark.
Yeah. 8:30 I set the alarm last night, right? So we're gonna wake up.
There was no direction in this vlog.
This is bad, guys.
Snooze the alarm, and then when it snooze again, somebody shut it off.
I did. I'm not biting my nails. Oh my god.
On damn camera.
I had to go. Where were we gonna go? McDonald's. McDonald's only have breakfast at 2 o'clock in the morning. So we end up going to Denny's, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I had to go to the fountain at Denny's. Wish I had the camera with me, but the camera died. So, yeah.
I not really believe that birthday story, but yeah, if you want to believe it, believe me.
Who are these people?
He just probably forgot to. Wow.
That's it.
That's how you end the video. That's literally that's how you end the video, brother.
So all I have to say is, guys, we came a long way. We
That
came
was
a lot. At least
5 years ago.
At least now you can actually see us in the videos, and
Very
at
embarrassing.
least now I talk in the videos.
Yeah, that's how she
At least
talk.
now Chad doesn't burp in the videos.
And I don't curse like
yes,
that.
you do burp in the videos.
No, I don't curse. I still burp. Yeah, I'm not giving a problem with that now. But
But you doesn't curse in the
We not
video.
curse. We not curse. We not curse.
Not like that.
Never like that again. That's
But
very embarrassing.
I think we need another Orlando trip.
Yeah.
We are due for an Orlando trip. We have not been in
when
2 years.
when things clean up.
I think we're
leaving.
trying to go for Chad's birthday
Yeah.
this year, so hopefully we can do a way better Orlando vlog. Well, we have a bunch up, but another Orlando vlog.
That is just terrible.
That's really bad.
That is really terrible.
I apologize.
I really do apologize, guys. I really do apologize for this content. Okay?
It's really bad.
It's still there if you guys want to go watch it.
You can go. Yeah, there's nothing to watch because you can't see us.
Yeah,
so.
you really can't see anything. It's pitch black. And yeah, hashtag pitch black right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the like button, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe to other channels down below in the description. Like this video again, guys. Share this video with somebody else. Love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. We'll see you guys another time, another dollar. Oh, we will be live streaming on the other channel down below,
tomorrow.
which is live with the sub. This is cool. Get ready.
Today.
Yeah, when this video drops. Yeah, so get ready and go. Get ready and go.
It's around 6:30.
Yeah, around 6:36. You know how Jamaicans are. We're never on time. So
between 6:30 to 6:45.
Ish. We just put ish on the end. Okay. All right, guys. We are out. Peace. Love you.